Hey kids, I'm going to start off today with a little sticker action. Got my friend that brought me down here. Got me a LJ. We'll put him over here in the knuckles. Yeah, I think it looks good there. Check them out. All these channels. Good channels on every one of them. Make sure you check them out. So, I bought a little cheap moisture meter off of Amazon. See if I can get over here with this thing. So, this is what it is. Hope you can see that. I got lights going out down here, and I've bought bulbs, but sometimes they're not working. Anyway, this thing was $17, I think. So, open it up. Has a nice little bag to keep it in. Now I've already had it open and put the batteries and stuff in it, so come wrapped very well. Has wrapping around it. Has a little wrench and extra prongs. So that's what it looks like. It's very small. The top comes off to show your prongs. It's on-off button. Now this thing will tell building moisture. Hope you can all see that. Oh. The building, the softwood, hardwood, packing. I don't know why you need to know moisture and packing, but and back to building. So we're gonna throw it over on hardwood. I think this poplar that Big Mac sent me is counted hardwood. Let me take this camera down. And my camera, it's my iPad. I don't know if I can do this or not with one hand. So we're gonna get a piece of wood. This looks good. Do that one. I don't know how far. Evidently, it's not gonna work. So we'll start it over. Let's try softwood. Ready? I'm doing something. That's a light on. I don't know if that light. Put a light on it too. I don't know. It reads my fingers. going on here. Let me go put you back up in the cradle here. See if we can figure out what's going on with this thing. Maybe I should have read the instructions before I got on here, because it's making me look like an idiot, isn't it? For some reason I lost the video. Oh, what the heck happened there? It's only maybe I need to tighten that adjuster or something. Anyway, it might be just another piece of Amazon junk. I don't know. I figured I'd try it because Big Dog sent me some stuff down here, and I want to. It's hardwood, and I want to use it to make something with. So this was a little bit loose. That makes a difference. So it's 12% dry. So it worked better that time. 11.5. So I don't know. We'll give it a try for $17. See what happens with it. Alright everybody. Thanks for watching.